Morning students, as in previous video I continued tense. I taught you simple present tense and present continuous tense. Student, today I will teach you present perfect tense. I have already told you that each tense has been divided into four parts. Present tense has been divided into four parts. Simple present tense or present indefinite tense that you have studied. Present continuous tense you have studied. This is third one, present perfect tense. Students, I have also told you that any tense can be recognized by its helping verb and the use of form of main verb. In this tense, present perfect tense, two helping verbs are there, had and had. But here we have to know where has is used and where has is used. Students, if subject is singular, if the subject will be singular, so has will be used. If the subject will be I, you and plural, any of them, either I or you or plural subject will be there, then have is used. This is the rule. Second thing, I have told you that in different tenses, different form of verbs are used. The main verb form, in this tense, verb third form is used. I have told you that verb has three forms: present form, past form, past participle form. In this tense, past participle form is the verb third form, P3. Let's see the rule of positive sentence or affirmative sentence. Write up. Positive sentence rule. Positive sentence rule is there. First of all, write down rule. First of all, subject is written. Then according to subject has or have written. Then verb third form written, then object is written. This is the rule of positive sentence. See the example. He has purchased a pen. He has purchased a pen. One more example you can take. They have won the match. They have won the match. Students, if you see these two sentences, he has purchased a pen. You have to find out which tense is it. I have told you recognition of any tense. You can recognize by its helping verb and form of main. Students, here purchase the third form has been used and has helping verb has been used. So it is present perfect tense. It is positive sentence and current subject he is similar to has been used. Just here also has been for singular number subject and has been for plural they student. So has been used. Verb third form main verb one purchase. V3 verb third form main. So it is present perfect tense positive sentence. In present perfect tense positive sentence, subject is written at first just like he. Then according to subject is similar than he. Then has. Then third form purchase. Now let's say the rule of negative sentence. Write down negative sentence. Negative sentence. Negative sentence is first of all subject is written. Subject. Then according to subject has or have is written. Has or have. then not is written, not. After that, verb third form is written plus object is written. Example you can take. We have not seen the Taj Mahal. We have not seen the Taj Mahal. We have not seen the Taj Mahal. Next example you can take. She has not done her homework. Her homework. She has not done her homework. These are the negative sentence of present perfect tense. We have not seen the Taj Mahal. She has not done her homework. Student, here it is plural. Subject plural, so have has been used according to this rule. Plural. Three similar number of subjects, so has been used. Students, now write the rule of interrogative sentence. Rule write down interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Write down the rule of interrogative sentence. Students, I have told you that interrogative sentences are of two types, starting with helping verb or starting with question word. So two rules are there. First of all, I am telling you starting with helping verb rule. Rule first. Have, oblique have, then have oblique have, then subject, then verb object, then question mark. This is the rule. If the sentence start with helping verb, first of all, helping verb is written according to subject. If subject will be similar, the have will be written. If subject is I or you or you, then have will be written. Then subject, then verb, third form, then object will be written. Question mark is also used. Without using question mark, the sentence will be considered wrong. So, question mark also should be at the end of the sentence. Now you can see the example. You can see the example of this rule. Example. Have you got the first prize? Have you got the first prize? Question mark. Have you got the first prize? Next example can be. Have he written? Have he written a letter? Question mark. These two sentences are of present perfect tense, interrogative sentence starting with helping verb. Have you got the first prize? Here have is because there is you, subject is you. Here is you have told you. I and you are two number subjects are followed by have. So here you are shown have. According to rule, has or have will be according to the subject according to the subject. Then subject is written, then one third form get got is third form, and then object is the first prize. Here these similar number subjects, so has been written first, then subject he, then right note written, third form written, then object is written. So it is first type of interrogative sentence. Now write the rule of second type of interrogative sentence. Rule 2. When the sentence starts with question word. When sentence start with question word, that you write the first of all we write question word plus head oblique head plus subject plus word third part plus object plus question mark. This is the example sentence where has he put his book? Where has he put his book? Next example sentence, why have you beaten him? Why have you beaten him? In these two sentences, the sentences have been started with question word. Where? First of all, question word have been written. Then have and have coming to subject. Subject he is singular number, so have been written. Then subject he is written. Then word third part. Put is students in all forms same. Put. All forms same is there. Then he moved to the object. Second example, why? Question word at first, according to rule. Then have has been written. Have has been written because used here. Subject is used, so have been written here. Just like if the subject is I and you are to go to have been written. Have then subject you written. Then what third part? Beaten. Third part has been written. Then object is him. So in this way, students, today I have studied present perfect tense. In this tense, you have known that there are two helping verbs and have. Have is followed by singular number subject and have is followed by I, you or plural number subject. And I have also told you that in this tense, verb third form is used. Third form is used. Present, past participle. The past participle form is used here. You have written, you have known the rules of positive sentence, the rule of negative sentence, and the rule of interrogative sentence. Students, you have to write these rules with example in your paper copy, and further I will teach you in next video. Thank you.